training concepts, or simply want to stay connected to the broader wrestling community, this platform delivers value year-round. If you are a member, you can access the platform today by visiting community.nwcaonline.com and start engaging with coaches nationwide. Once again, we remind you there's no crossing of the mats. In order to get to the other side of the arena, you need to walk around the mats and not cross them. We appreciate the cooperation.